What's up, everyone? Welcome back. So in today's video, guys, I'm gonna do a weekly market breakdown with you guys. Yeah. So if you're new, guys, please like and subscribe, guys. Yeah. So on the screen we're having USDcad. So with USDcad, guys, we've been pushing to the downwards, guys. If you can see, so the start of the move of which it was in this area up until the current price, guys, we can say we were in a downtrend. So what I really spotted on Usdcad, guys. Remember last week, guys, I did analyze this one with you, guys. We were anticipating this move to the upside. Actually, the market was around this area, guys, and the market did push to the upside, but unfortunately, we couldn't catch this entry there as I wasn't focusing much on USDCAD. So now I wanna focus on USDCAD this week, guys, because of I failed to make some money last week on USDCAD, guys, but this week I don't wanna fail doing so. So what I did so in the market gave us some form of a nice Falcon pattern, of which gave us that pattern that consists of three touches, guys, meaning this one first touch, second touch, and this one in this area it's gonna be our third touch. So on our third touch, guys, we know that third touch has high probability of playing out. So for those who managed to get a sell position, guys, they are in deep profit right now. So what we do or what we anticipate, guys, after the market printed out a third touch, guys, we expect the market to come and reach a 90% rule, of which it is in this area. So what I'm anticipating about this one, guys, remember that we're using two strategies, guys. So there's some form of a confusion, but not really confusion, guys. But it's still possible that the market might continue pushing to the upside. Why am I saying so, guys? Remember that we were pushing to the upside with a series of higher highs and higher lows. So the market, after I took out at this high here, so it did form some, or it did left some order blocks, of which they are in this area, somewhere around this area, guys. We're having an order block, so it's still possible for the market to come and mitigate this order block. In a sorry for that, still possible for the market to mitigate this order block in a corrective manner. Give us some form of a reversal pattern here and continue pushing to the upside. So it's still possible for that. But then when it comes to probability, guys, I think this this pushing can stand a greater chance of pushing to the downwards up until 90% rule. So now the market is printing some form of a continuation pattern inside the channel. Yeah. So which this continuation pattern, guys, it's gonna be our first one. So remember, I told you that the first continuation pattern, guys, has high probability of playing out. So we should expect the market to give us some form of an entry here. So even if maybe let's say we're not taking this one to our 90% rule, of which it is in this area, so we can make some money and at least place a trade. And if we come around here, guys, and make sure that we start looking our profit, should anything, I mean, should the market reverse in this area and then continue pushing to the upside, we will know that we did manage to lock some profit at least after the market breaks out of this low here. If we can get tracked, maybe with a reduced risk entry here, or maybe with a risk entry above there. But then after the market took out, I mean, after the market will take out this low here, then we'll start looking our profit. So should anything happen, then that's it. Yeah. But for now, guys, my overall target is gonna be on the 90% rule. I think this trade is still gonna push to the downwards, guys. Yeah. But for those who are looking into a buy position, guys, bear in mind that third touch has high probability, guys, of playing out. Or the other thing of which that really makes sense, that the position is gonna continue pushing to the downwards. Remember, every after impulse, guys, it's a correction, and then we're anticipating the next impulse. So this position going to the downwards, guys, stand a greater chance than coming into this area and continue pushing to the upside. So let's wait and see what's happening with USDCAD. So now I'm gonna open Euro USD. So with Euro USD, uh, another combination of the two strategies in this case, guys, it's gonna be problematic, or not problematic actually, but it's gonna giving us a lot of questions, guys, about this trade. So if we are looking at this position, guys, we're at an impulse. Now we're in a correctional phase, of which the next move we're anticipating the next impulse But then look what really happened when it comes to a smart money. So when it comes to smart money, guys, the market gave us some form of a change of character. The market did give us a change of character in this area. So if we can see this aura block, and then the market did came to mitigate this aura block, of which some of the people they could have been taken out in this case. So we're having a nice order block of which is unmitigated. So the market did give, or the market is busy printing some form of a liquidity around this area, I think. Yeah. So should anything happen here, guys, I don't know like what to do. But this one stand a lot, or stand a greater chance of playing out, meaning with a sell position when the market is gonna mitigate this order block. Stand a greater chance of respecting our direction, guys. Yeah. So I think my sell position is gonna be in this area. And the other thing about this, guys, as I told you that we're trading the combination of the two strategies. Remember, after every impulse, we're having a correction and so on. So right now we're in a correctional phase. I don't know if you all can see this thing. Wow. I mean, we were in a correctional phase in this case. So the market did broke out of this channel here, of which now the market is giving us the first continuation pattern, that of which has high probability of playing out to the upside. So still gonna have some confusion. I mean, some confusions when it comes to Euro USD case, but then I'm gonna confirm this one with DXY, guys. Yeah, remember that DXY, guys, we use it to measure the strength of a dollar actually. So with this move, I think, guys, still possible that it might come to this area, and still possible that it might respect here and push to the downward. So should be careful about everything that's gonna happen, guys. Yeah. So the next pair is gonna be gold. So actually gold, I've been discussing it with one of my students, guys. Yeah. So it's actually the trade that they managed to spot that is really promising. I mean, yeah. So we've been pushing to the upside, guys. We have an unmitigated order block here. Then the market came to mitigate this order block in a corrective manner, guys. You can all see that we're having a reversal pattern here. So the next move, we're anticipating the next buy here. So what I'm gonna do with this one, guys, I just wanna open 1 hour time frame and see what really happening on the current price. Yeah, so on the current price, guys, we can all see that the market has been pushing to the upside, breaking those highs. I mean, breaking those previous highs. Let me take this one here, broke out of this high, broke out of this one, and we broke out of this one. So right now, it's possible that the market might come and mitigate this order block and continue pushing to the upside. So let me zoom out and see the overall move of this one. So with the overall move of this one, guys, our take profit is gonna be here. This is our 90% rule, and this one is gonna be our 90% rule of the inner pattern. I'm gonna start our inner pattern in this area here. So meaning this one is gonna be our first target, and this one is gonna be our second target when it comes to Falcon. So the market did really, I mean, the market took out this previous high here, of which right now we're anticipating the market to come and mitigate this order block. Then we're taking a buy position to the upside. So the first entry here, guys, if the market is going to come to this order block, it's going to be the SMC entry here. Then after we do got an SMC entry, remember that when it comes to Falcon, guys, the first continuation pattern after or within the pattern, guys, has high probabilities. Let's say we did got some impulse here, and then the market happens to give us some form of a continuation pattern after it broke out of this channel, guys. So we're gonna have the second entry, of which is gonna be the Falcon entry in this area. So our entry is gonna be here, guys, and then we should always make sure that we apply proper risk to reward ratio, guys, when it comes to scaling in on this position, guys. So our second entry is gonna be here. Yeah. So simple with this one, guys. I think for those, or I mean for that student of mine who was analyzing gold, guys, yeah, this is some form of a clarity that I might give to you when it comes to gold, guys. Yeah, still possible that we might make a lot of money out of this area here. Yeah, so let me go look at the other pairs. The other pair, I think I have NAS100. With NAS100, guys, I got stopped out actually, but then I was closer to hit my take profit, I think. Remember, guys, I did trade this one and then I showed you everything about this pair. I'm not gonna go much into what really happened in the past, guys. Yeah, but then I got stopped out. I think after we took out this, I locked my profit to around here. Yeah, I did lock my profit around here. But for me, guys, I don't set a take profit. That's why the market didn't take profit and then close. I thought maybe it might continue pushing to the upside, guys. Yeah. But for me, I control what I risk, not what I can get, guys. Yeah. So with this position, guys, I already made money out of it. But now, what I'm seeing, guys, we're having this nice order block, of which it is not yet mitigated, and this one in this area. So should the market mitigate this one the way we would want it to mitigate it, I want to take this one to the upside, or maybe this one. But then there's no pressure when it comes to NAS 100, guys. I already made a lot of money out of NAS 100. So I'm just observing what's really happening in it, guys. Yeah. So remember, guys, NAS 100 is very volatile. Those entries that you're gonna take, make sure that you go through a lower time frame, at least 5 or 15 minutes, guys. Yeah. So I think the other pair moving Ethereum versus US dollar. Ethereum versus US dollar, guys. I already made a lot of money here and I did got stopped out. Also with this one, guys, I've been showing you this one from the past 2 weeks, I think. Yeah. So we do got an in throughout everything, yeah, but I'm not gonna speak much about what really happened in the past, guys, as I did already. So what I'm anticipating with it, guys, I still believe that the market needs to come and fill this area here. I still believe that the market needs to come and fill that area. The market structure started in this area and then stopped here. So we expect the market to come and at least complete this move here. There's a lot of money to be made in this case. If we could get a nice entry, it can be made from this area up until here. So the type of entry that I'm looking for in this case, guys, remember right now this order block it got mitigated, but not even trusting this order block since the market is printing some form of a continuation pattern on it as it came impulsively like this. So it's printing some form of a continuation pattern. I'm expecting the next impulse. So should the market give me the next impulse like this, then start giving me some form of a reversal pattern here, I'm gonna take this one to the upside, guys. My entry is gonna be in this order block and target the 90% rule that is above them. So it's just gonna be straightforward. Ethereum versus US dollar, straightforward. Or if such thing doesn't happen on that order block, I still have another order block in this area. So I should always make sure that I apply uh, proper management. Actually, guys, yeah, to put my stop loss as tight as possible, guys. Since we're still living another order block below the one that I'm anticipating that the market will mitigate and push to the upside. Yeah. So these are the three, or this is the cryptocurrency pair, the only cryptocurrency pairs that I do have. And then I have one indices of which is Nasdaq and three uh, Forex pairs, guys, of which their currencies, guys. Yeah. So, guys, I hope each and everyone will get value out of this weekly market breakdown, guys. Let's make money, guys. Yeah. I don't wanna speak much about the type of strategy that I'm using, guys, but you can see that it's a combination of the two and it's really working, guys. I do post a video weekly, guys, and then there are a lot of people who are making money out of this breakdown of mine, guys. Yeah. And then remember, I dedicated this channel, guys, to help you to grow as much as possible, guys, when it comes to trading, actually, guys, as a whole. Yeah, and for those who are looking for mentorship, guys, I'm available, guys. I'm gonna place my WhatsApp number on my description, on the description of the video, guys, or maybe they can contact me on Telegram or Instagram, guys. Those are the three platforms that I'm available, guys. Other than that, guys, it's not me, it's gonna be a scam, guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. Cheers.